How to change your ringtone on iPhone to a song with Garageband. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change your ringtone on your iPhone to a song with Garageband. If you want to make a ringtone from a song you created in Garageband, you can use Garageband to make ringtones and export them directly to your iPhone. To get started, you will need to open the Garageband app on your Mac computer. You can also create a song in Garageband directly on your iPhone. To create a song in the mobile app, launch Garageband on your phone and tap the plus Create Song icon. Select from one of the options to import or record a track or put together a song from tracks and samples in the Garageband sound library. Once you're satisfied with the song you've created, tap the icon that looks like a triangle pointing down in the top left corner of the screen and select My Songs. Now open the project you want to turn into a ringtone. Click File and select Open, then open the song you want to convert to a ringtone. You can also import a song into Garageband by selecting File and clicking New. Clicking Empty Project and clicking Choose, then selecting Create. Dragging and dropping a music file from a location on your computer to create a new track. Open the Share menu. It's in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Select Project to Garageband for iOS, enter a title for your song, and click Save. Make sure you have iCloud Drive selected in the Where dropdown. If you see the option to save your project to a Garageband for iOS folder in iCloud, select that. It will make it slightly easier to find your file in the mobile Garageband app. If you haven't already set up an iCloud account, you will need to do so before you can export your project. Open Garageband on your iPhone. The icon looks like a white guitar on an orange to yellow gradient background. Tap the Browse tab and locate your song. When you launch Garageband, it should open to the My Songs browser. Tap Browse at the bottom of the window and look for your song. If you don't see your song, type its name into the search field at the top of the screen, then tap Search. It should appear if you successfully uploaded it to iCloud. Tap and hold the song. A menu will open up. If you just tap your song, instead of tapping and holding it, the project will open in the Garageband editor. Tap the Share button. You may need to scroll down in the menu to find it. Select Ringtone. A Share Song window will open and prompt you to select a format. Choose the ringtone option. If your song is longer than 30 seconds, you will see a pop-up advising you that the length of the ringtone needs to be adjusted. Tap Continue, and Garageband will automatically trim your song for you. Enter the name of your ringtone and tap Export. You can either tap OK and assign the ringtone later, or tap Use Sound to set the ringtone right away. If you select Use Sound as, you can choose from one of the following options: Standard Ringtone, Standard Text Tone, or Assign to Contact. Tap Done to exit the Use Sound As menu without setting the ringtone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.